Hey, hey, hey. Good morning. So, new session. I think this is the sixth session. Um, I woke up to some nice green PNL, UPNL. So, yeah, man. I'm excited for this week because everything is really looking strong. Um, Especially Bitcoin. I think we might even try to break out today, or we get a rejection, and um, it's a bit according to what we get today, how we will position ourselves for the coming days. Um, so let's see. I just woke up and my mind isn't working clearly yet. Um, but now I think, okay, let's first edit our profits because the risk reward have been working in our favor. 1.8, what is it? 814, yeah. Nice. So yeah, like I said, I'm really excited for this week. Let's see. Let's also open Twitch to see if there's some people watching. There's no people watching. Well, yeah, I really hope people enjoy the YouTube videos because otherwise it's all for nothing. But pretty sure there's a small group of people who take some information out of it. Yeah, so let's look at the top performers today. Pico is new. Damn, okay. Yeah, it's nice to see because some projects which are pretty green today are good projects, meaning that it's actual volume and not just a rotation into shitcoins to just dump on your head. Like Internet Computer, Arbitrum, not WIF, but still Jupiter. Yeah, so we played Jupiter before last week, so it was nice. So right now I think we're nearing resistance, like the 4-hour 200 moving average. Um, we might wick above it and test this horizontal resistance. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade it today. Let's look at FET. Okay, yeah, I think FET is looking pretty good, to be honest. At least, like, this is something you'd like to see because it creates a base, a support on the previous resistance. Because this used to be resistance, like this little block, and right now we're creating support on it. So we flipped it. So at least on the 1 hour, it looks pretty good. Yeah, we have some horizontal resistance over here, which we will test soon. But right now, yeah, it's looking good. So I'm gonna flag it. Probably run it today. Um, yeah, I unmuted my mic. Okay. I was kind of afraid I was talking again, and I did not record my voice. Yeah, WLD, I'm not sure if I want to trade this. I know some people who got in here got stuck on this move. So right now it looks like it's breaking out, so that's good for the people exposed. Jupiter, yeah, I'm not interested because of the horizontal resistance. So yeah, if Bitcoin wasn't this not looking like this, and if we haven't did not sweep all these lows, I would probably short here. Like, it would be a no-brainer. But right now, yeah, to be honest, I'm not even like. It wouldn't even surprise me if we just bump all the way up to the 70s again. I think we made some profit. Let's refresh. Yeah, so for me to just short right here would be a ballsy move. Yeah, okay. Yeah, like I mentioned in previous videos, I think there's a clear case of lower highs. Yeah, okay, this breaks the pattern, but we could still pretty much nuke all the way down after rejecting here. Sweeping all these lows, especially this one wick. Like, this pattern would make sense to me, more than just going back up again. Even though we have a lot of buy side liquidity here, that right now only this one has been swept. But yeah, it's. I mean, this is tough because it's Monday. Monday is never a fun day because you don't really know what the Americans are going to do, and usually the S&P just sets the trend for the week. Yeah, I plotted this before. Like, this is what I expect. Yeah, we're at the resistance now. Yeah, so yeah, let's have a look at the weaker instruments. Near also at horizontal resistance. Okay, this is interesting. Excusez-moi. Yeah, I would pretty much like. I would pretty much like to short near, to be honest. Just because of all. Yeah, okay, we could expand and break out, but for the challenge account, I think I'm gonna run with shorts today. I mean, we have to risk a bit more here. Yeah, what's it gonna be? I mean, yeah, just to be safe, we're gonna run risk reward near. Right. Um. Yeah, I think this is gonna form like either a triple top or just a lower high. So we can just put ETH in here with full weight. We will remove ETH, and then we can already run uh, near. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it also has confluence with the daily open. So I think we're gonna just push the little candle into the daily open and then reject. It's my, yeah. Oh, did I really select 10 weight? What? Oh, okay, fuck it. It's the universe telling me to push the weight. Well, but only for the challenge account. I mean, it's either win or lose, you know. So, okay, let's continue our search on the weak instruments. Like all these instruments, they have pretty low liquidity, like low volume on Kraken. So, not really interested in pushing the limits on those. Yeah, even Bonk is looking terrible in my humble opinion. I think we're in for some at least 10% downside before retesting these highs. I mean, these are all lower highs. Like if you see these wicks, it's just bears absorbing the longs. So yeah, we're just gonna add Bonk in here as well. With some smaller weight, and if it proves itself like fruitful, we're just gonna add more weight. Yeah. Bonky. Let's have a look at BNB. Yeah, so BNB should actually break down as well. I mean, it's just waiting for more bad news for Binance. So. But I'm not. Yeah, I think Binance Coin is really cursed, so I'm not touching it. So there's like so fucking much manipulation going on Binance Coin. It's unreal. Try shorting it and get wrecked. It's like guaranteed. Um, yeah, this is actually not looking that bad for upside on short term at least. Oh, I love this song. It's like sunny, but not that warm yet. Like the window is still a little bit wet from the morning thingy. Yeah, this is the best. Um, yeah, Pepe is looking good. To be honest, I don't think this is gonna fuck it up. Yeah, we might pull back to this level, but then we could just fucking moon, like go 1-2x in a few days. So. Yeah, XRP is looking good as well. So yeah, I think it's too early. I mean, let's have a look at the market hours. I think it's too early. London just opened. We're just gonna have to wait till I think 12 at noon to see yeah, what the market will unfold to us. Like trade what you see, not what you want to see. And right now, Near and Bonk are just clearly showing they are having a hard time at horizontal resistance. Where I expect Near to take a little bit more upside before heading more down. So that's an assumption. But Bonk is just looking bad with um, a distribution pattern on the lower time frame. So, like as you can see, it's for me it's pretty clear. Like Near is a little bit more speculation because we could, like we're shorting into this strong candle, but I don't see any volume. I don't see any like yeah. What I can see is shorts piling in. So yeah, for me it's just safe to say we're just gonna head down to the confluence of the moving averages, horizontal support, um, and the Fibonacci. Um, yeah, and for longs, yeah, I mean we have the core account, like the higher balance account. For this, I really look for specific setups. Like, yeah, let's check out W. By the way, where the fuck did W go? Is this W? Yeah. Whoa. Where are you? Okay, this is a nice reaction at our plotted support. Like we swept these lows, people got wrecked or stopped out here, and yeah, let's plot this. I put this here. So now We could look to head towards these levels. Okay. Yeah, I can probably get a few cycles on W. So for me, it's a yeah. Let's have a look at the higher time frame first. Especially in the morning when I just woke up, my brain is not functioning correctly. I tend to make more mistakes, just to jump into something without zooming out. So here I am zooming out. Yeah, I think even for a Mars attack, it's looking pretty darn sweet. Let's have a look at the volume though. Yeah, it's a bit smaller. Yeah, let's just squeeze. Yeah, so the argument for me is like the volume is pretty darn low. I mean, it's weekend, so okay, we had the weekend, so the 24 hours should be lower. But right now, this could pretty much become a lower high, like wick, become a wick and just go further down to sweep these lows. But yeah, the other side of me arguments that yeah, okay, we bounced at horizontal support, like we plotted everything, it's perfect. So the market is basically telling me it's gonna try to reclaim these highs and make new push further up. W. So the trick for now is I just get in with very low weight. We just see how the market responds, especially to us, because of the low volume. And if it really supports our bias and just keeps grinding up, we can probably increase our weight because people are also trying to long, basically helping us. Yeah, so let's put a, I think it's purple thingy behind there. Yeah, Tito's not looking too well. Whiff could be a nice addition to the shorts, by the way. Like, this should be considered as a lower high. Let's just flag it for now. Yeah, I think a lot of altcoins are just ranging now, and if Bitcoin breaks down, they all go back to Hades. So, Jupiter, what's the deviation here? Yeah, okay, that's tricky. Jesus, wow. Yeah, I wish I was just more patient with my manual trading, to be honest. I got out of all my altcoins. I got such fucking great entries. But yeah, FOMC, I don't like sticking around when there's big news to hit, especially when Bitcoin is just lurking around the lows. I mean, it could really just fuck up everything and you get huge slippage on your stops. So you're just gonna risk a lot more than you anticipate to risk. Okay, we have W. What else is moving? Holy cow, what the fuck is this? Let's look at the volume. I think it's pretty low looking at the chart. Yeah, it's pretty fucking low. Yeah, this is, I mean, it's under 100k, so it's for us to get in with a almost 9k wallet, it's too big of a risk. It's not something we could do. Even though I think, yeah, it's okay for risk reward, but. Oh damn. Yeah, I think FET looked good, so we're gonna add FET. Oh. So right now we add ETH again. Just so we have all the weight at our disposal. How are these doing? Okay. Like what? Which one did I mention to short as well? Whiff. Yeah. Okay. Let's add whiff. So it's a meme Monday, we could say. It's a little meme Monday. I think Jeffrey likes this. Jeffrey's a guy like from our community, and he likes to trade like the worst of the worst coins, and he sometimes just gets away with it as well, making huge ass profits. So I really admire the way he figures out how to trade like the worst of the worst projects, like projects I wouldn't even like touch. Like last week he was talking about Foxy or something. I literally never heard of Foxy. He was just trading it and making a shit ton of money, I guess. So yeah, green UP now. Yeah, let's just start with W. Did I already put it? Yeah, we really need this new feature on TradingView, like where you can just flag this and put it in a section. Damn, so many coins on Kraken all of a sudden. They just keep releasing new coins. It's really cool. I really love it. I mean, Pino API joined Kraken as a partner, so right now their volume is increasing, so they could make more money, so they could add more coins. All right, so yeah, I'm excited about W. Damn, okay, the market did react. So what's the Dixie doing anyways? Okay, so I think the Dixie, we either moon here, because this is a great wick. Wow, even on the high time frame, or we just break all the fuck down and Bitcoin probably goes to all-time high again. There's like no in between, in my opinion. Like yesterday I did a small video, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna upload it, but I was pretty biased that we were just gonna nuke all the way down with Bitcoin, because I've seen this before. Like they lure everyone in with perfect entries, and then they just nuke all the progress away in like 1 day candle, just to then form a real low and moon. But today yeah, I mean the price is telling me, okay, I want to go up. So for me to just speculate and make assumptions that we're just gonna nuke around this level, it's a bold statement, and it's not something I advise you to do as well. Yeah, I expect this to not move a lot until later today, due to the Americans still sleeping. Let's have a look at FET. This usually has more volume. Yeah, okay, this is great. We're gonna run this go. Hmm. Oh, what's up? Jesus, what am I doing? Like, yeah, for me, I should have like a rule that either when I have alcohol in my blood, I should not be able to trade, but also when I'm like just waking up. I didn't even drink my tea yet. Holy fuck. I should not be able to trade. Like, there's no liquid in my brain right now because I'm dehydrated of sleeping a lot, and now I'm already entering with high risk. It's like the worst combination. But my UPNL is still green though, so. Yeah, so I think this is a nice introduction video of session 6. Um, yeah, 6 if I'm correct. And yeah, I'll be back with some highlights today probably because I have a lot of time to trade. Um, I think we're gonna get some action. I'm not sure if we're gonna find it though because it's Monday. It's always hard to find the action. Um, but I do think we're just gonna make a few bucks. It's okay. So yeah, I'll be back later. I'll just keep streaming, but I won't be at my screen all day. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.